collapsed and dirty, so they were fearful.
So I'm like, how could they miss a box up there in the attic?
That had that.
Yeah, they're probably just, you know, they want to get done and move out of there and sell it, you know.
Yeah.
But I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm like, how can I have it to me? How come I can't find a bag of money somewhere? Or that man that went to the ATM in the morning and there was a bag of money right in front of the ATM and it was supposed to go, it was for Chase Bank. It wasn't, it was supposed to go inside the bank, I guess. But the
guy just
the brains man, they dropped it and didn't realize it. So I know, how do you drop a bag full of money?
Right.
And the guy took it into the bank and said, oh no, we're not missing money. I'm not sure.
Because they didn't think it belonged to them.
Yeah,
it belonged
to another bank, but they had realized that there was a bag of money missing when they got done.
Right.
But you know, he reported it to the police. You know, honestly, when the bank said, "No, it's not ours. We got all our money from our armor guy." You know.
Right.
And so I'm like, oh my gosh! But then you would think,
right. You're not going to get away with it.
You're not going to get away. But yeah, you always read.
You know where else they hide it? I found out is they hide it in old pictures, like you have a family picture, they put it in there, like you know, between the backing and the picture.
Or you mean like the frame
or what about paintings? I've seen movies where they tape it onto big old paintings.
In the back?
Yeah, because you know, like
paintings like the paper
that have been matted, like
and they stick it in there, thinking nobody would
exactly. But that's, you think about all these hiding places. People say freezer, but then I think that's where they look in the first place now. With all the movies that are out there.
They think of the craziest place first, right?
Yeah. Or keys. You know, when you're going on vacation, I've always been taught, hide your keys somewhere where you don't want to leave them out.
You don't put them under the pot, the flower pot, right?
You don't put them under this flower pot, and you don't
put them under the rug or the mat.
Or just leave them hanging in your house, because they break in, they got your keys.
Right.
You know, you don't do that because you have to hide them somewhere and say, where do you put them? Where do you put them? But you don't want to take all your keys with you.
And then do you remember?
And then do you remember where later? So you have to tell everybody, okay, everybody, I put this in the bathroom, you know, way in the back. Keys with you in your spares, or you just have to have a locked filing cabinet or something, right? But you really can't take it. Anyway, interesting. Any more questions?
She did a good job, didn't she? I think she gave you some good advice.
The tape boxes, separate your stuff, keep all your toys together, all your books. You can also, if you want to get rid of stuff too, you can always sell them like a set. Become a set. Like I think I sold Rachel's, Jenny's books, Nancy Drew books. You know,
as a set,
something series.
Right. That's a nice idea.
And I sold it to a school teacher down the block, and she wanted it for her class.
Oh,
and
cool.
I sold it to her for a really good deal. She
was
like, oh my gosh, thank you. So it went to good use.
I
videos.
actually do have a question.
Okay.
What should we write on the songs? Like, what do we?
Definitely garage sale. You can put, if you know what items like toys, clothes, Yeah, you could do that. If you have more electronics, you can put electronics, but you can write down.
Actually, yeah, put down.
Yeah, like
we're
I
not
think
going to
we
be
did.
furniture and that kind of thing.
Yeah.
We really don't have the big
That way
ones.
you're not wasting their time, and then you're not having
Right.
looky-loos that just come and go, oh, I want TV, I want furniture.
Right.
So that's a good idea. Yeah, just I think we did too. We just
And then did you put the hours down, or did you just
No.
leave it because you didn't know when you would
Yeah.
wrap up?
And by noon, 11 noon,
Yeah,
we start. I
it's
mean, Michael always, he's very impatient, and he'll just go, okay, let's wrap up. And I'm like, no, save class. And then, you know, maybe the last 2 hours I made about $20, you know.
Right, right.
But we just kind of open the window and watch TV and we're on our laptops and just kind of saw who's coming and going, you know. And then we would jump out and we saw somebody's stuff.
It's definitely a morning thing.
Yeah, it's
There's people who just like cruise for garage sales, and they get out early on Saturday mornings and they just drive around in different neighborhoods just looking for signs and stuff. But they like to do it in the morning.
In the morning early, but like I said, have all your stuff ready before you even put your signs, because they will come early. And they do like, you know. And it's funny because I had same people come to one from last year and one from the year before, because I think we had two. One before we stayed with her for a few weeks, and then until our place was getting ready, and then last summer.
Okay.
I had a few.
And you had some repeat customers.
But I made $600.
Wow.
But I had 3 garage sales. I mean,
Okay.
you know, it evened out to about 200 each one.
Okay.
But I had a lot of stuff.
You had a lot of stuff.
And
you had
then
some
Caroline gave me some baby clothes, so that was a big, you know, she just gave to me.
Right.
And then we had TV to sell.
Yeah,
I finally sold at 25.
Yeah, I don't think we're going to do that well. But we're just, you
You
know.
want to get rid of it and just make a little.
We're just going to, you know, we're going to give it our best shot. We've never done it before. I'm sure we'll.
And then
learn
what
some
you do,
things.
if you don't want to do it again, then just donate that to Goodwill.
Yeah, that's what we're going to do. Because we can't hold on to it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So how much stuff? You get rid of inside stuff?
It's inside stuff. So it's like a garage sale, and we do have some things from the garage, but we're also like. This is a big
There's also, I don't know if they buy stuff.
Oh, yeah, that's in there.
We used to go in there all the time and buy some kind of cards. I forget which ones for Taylor.
Okay.
And then we might buy stuff off of
Yeah, we could, because you do have a lot of people.
Or
Well, it's just my doubles.
Your
or
doubles.
consignment.
So that is still like
Because you're-
that much.
Oh, because you're keeping your others.
yeah.
Okay.
Taylor has his Pokemon cards, I believe, in a binder.
Mhm.
Yeah, that's
You bought those special. And this and that, and
Right.
I stood in lines and got the right price, got the best price, did all my research for
Right.
them, but then, you know, everything just, the market just, for these special things don't go anywhere, so you're just like, I'm gonna keep them just in case.
You hold on to it and hope that,
Yeah, I counted, I reorganized on my Beanie Babies, and I have probably about almost 400.
Wow.
Crazy woman. Just like the crazy cat lady too.
Yeah, sweetie, we better, oh, they found that. We better, I gotta fit this game. We gotta let Steve.
Yeah, me too.
Get
maybe
ready
I'm just
for
gonna grab
Michael.
something.
Thank you. I'm sorry. Oh my gosh.
No, I was gonna go to the
Is
store.
that the time?
No, actually, it's like 15 minutes ahead. but, cause Michael comes at 9.
Oh, your
No,
husband's coming home
No,
soon.
I
He works
cooked
later.
dinner, he
Goes
gets
in
home at
later.
9. He comes home at 9, so, but it's okay, cause it's just gonna be us
I'm
three.
so sorry.
No, don't, I don't just don't cook, I just needed more milk, cause it calls